Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best easy weed remover tool you can get for your garden. If you're tired of bending, kneeling, or struggling to pull those stubborn weeds, this heavy-duty stand-up weed puller might be exactly what you need. This weed remover tool stands out with its impressive 44-inch tall handle, crafted from natural bamboo, which gives it both durability and a comfortable grip. The long handle allows you to stay upright while working, so no more back strain or knee discomfort while tending to your lawn or garden. It's designed especially with ease and comfort in mind, making gardening a more enjoyable experience whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. What really sets this tool apart is its 4-claw steel head. Made from high-strength stainless steel, these claws are built tough to dig deep into different types of soil, grabbing the entire weed including the roots. This means less chance of weeds growing back, saving you time and effort in the long run. The claws work together to penetrate the ground smoothly and securely, so pulling weeds becomes a simple, effective motion. An innovative feature of this tool is its foot pedal design. With a sturdy platform near the claw, you apply your foot to push the claws into the soil. This extra leverage helps the claws dig in deeper without needing a lot of upper body strength. Once the claws have gripped the weed, you simply tilt the tool to one side, which activates the lever action and pulls the weed cleanly from the ground. This design reduces strain on your hands and wrists, allowing you to work longer and more comfortably. The handle also splits into 3 parts, making it easy to adjust the length depending on your preference or who's using it. If you need a shorter tool for children or smaller spaces, you can leave out one section and reduce the length to about 28 inches. When you're done, the tool disassembles neatly for compact storage. There's even a built-in hanging hole, so you can keep it tidy on your garden hooks or in your shed. This tool isn't just about function, it's built to last. The combination of bamboo and stainless steel gives it a solid, durable feel. It's designed to withstand tough garden work and still maintain its effectiveness season after season. If you're looking for a way to keep your garden pristine without the usual aches and pains, this stand-up weed puller is worth considering. It offers an ergonomic and efficient solution to one of gardening's most tedious tasks. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights on handy tools like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening!